Rainbow unicorn ice pops are my favorite food group. Ew! Too many wrappers! Ew! Plastic wrappers, like the kind used on candy and ice pops, look like a meal to lots of different animals. Gross! Not on my watch! I'm the Plastic Blaster, and where I roam, conservation goes! I'm making my own! To make your homemade super special unicorn ice pops, you'll need 2 cups of fresh fruit and a 1/4 cup of juice or water. You'll also need a blender, small paper cups, aluminum foil, and wooden craft sticks. Ask for help with the blender. Put the first batch of fruit into the blender, add water, blend until smooth, or until you like the color. Pour the mixture in the cup. Cover the cup with foil and poke a wooden stick in. It's ready! Put the cup in the freezer. Exercise! Phew! I'm exhausted. It's ready! Check to make sure the layer is completely frozen. Time for the next layer. Repeat, but with a different fruit. Pour a new layer in the cup. And then back to the freezer. A dance party always helps pass the time. Yes! Repeat with the third fruit. Add the last layer and place back into the freezer. Book time! Is it ready? Ooh! Ew! It's so pretty! And tastes like a rainbow! Now it's time to go from dancing to rock star! At least until it's time to make more ice pops. Join the Plastic Blaster and take the Kids vs. Plastic pledge. Learn more at natgeokids.com/plastic.